talk about horseshoe options. You can use steel, you can use aluminum. Now there's a composite glue-on. We'll talk about glue-on shoes in a minute. Steel shoes can be modified so they have some pressure relief. Aluminum can't. But we can modify mild steel shoes. We don't get the springiness. We do get pressure relief. We get some support. Years ago, when we started talking about pads on a horse's foot, we had the realization that any type of pad we put on a horse's foot, we cover the bottom of that foot and we created an unhealthy environment. We wanted to have a shorter foot and the frog close to the ground. If you use too much rim pad, you get some shock absorption from the rim pad, but you've elevated the frog further off the ground. You probably didn't help the horse very much. Now, in the last 20 years, glue-on shoes and composites are becoming a big thing, but you have to realize that those glues and composites are like an oxygen lacquer seal. It's not the healthiest thing in the world to see how much chemicals you can cover that foot with to say that you've got some pressure relief. We're building high-tech shoes. We're in the prototype stage, but we have steel, aluminum, composite. The problem with boots is they don't transfer the right amount of load to the hoof wall. Boots only protect the sole, the frog, and continue this up and down push with gravity. Boots do not help you with the lateral structural building.